Hi everyone, this is Lauren from Bucketlist, and in this video I am going to show you how easy it is to install the Bucketlist app to your Beekeeper platform. As a Beekeeper admin, there are a few steps you want to set up before we download the Bucketlist app. So first we want to make sure that we have a stream set up that is going to be dedicated to Bucketlist recognition. We can head to our streams. And here you can see I have one ready. If you don't, quickly just add a stream. Once we have our stream created, we want to make sure that we have a couple settings turned on. So of course you can go through your regular settings to make sure this is set up the way you want with that name, the cover image, and everything else. Then we also want to head to permissions. This is where we want to make sure that the post is turned off for all users. This will eliminate confusion on how your users send a Bucketlist recognition, as we want them to use the recognition wizard that we're going to download soon instead of the generic Beekeeper post. Once we have that stream set up, this is where we can now go and download the Bucketlist app that will connect to that stream. Next, we want to go to extensions here, and we're going to go to the marketplace. This is where we are going to search for Bucketlist and install the app, and this will give us the recognition wizard that we want. Simply just type in Bucketlist and you will see our marketplace app here. Simply going to click install. And this is where we are going to enter in some of our credentials. So of course that stream ID, we are going to enter that, and we're just going to replace these numbers, keep everything else the same. So just changing the numbers. And then this company UUID, this is from Bucketlist. So you will need your CSM to share this UUID with you. As we have this on the Bucketlist side, this makes sure that your Bucketlist site is connected with your Beekeeper. So just simply request that and we can share that with you. Again, you just want to replace what's in these quotes. Nothing else. You want to keep it exactly the same. So once we have that, we can validate and save this. Once you click validate and save, a pop-up will come up that says it is successful, and you will get this app has been configured. So this is a confirmation that all is working. If you get an error, just let your CSM at Beekeeper know or Bucketlist, and we can troubleshoot that for you. You will see that once you go to your toolbox, now that this was successful, you will have a shortcut that is enabled. So you'll see Bucketlist rewards, and this is your shortcut that will connect to your new Bucketlist recognition. In your shortcuts, you will see the Bucketlist rewards app. You can click this and just copy that here. And when you go back to Beekeeper, first you're going to see the shortcut enabled here. This opens up the recognition wizard that is going to connect you to Bucketlist, where you can come in and give a recognition, or if you're an admin, give an award as well. When you go to your stream, we find it really helpful that even though you have a shortcut to the recognition wizard, that you also pin a note to the top here with that link that we just copied from the Bucketlist app. This will also take you to that Bucketlist shortcut, and people know where to send that recognition. This post we turned off, so just as an admin, you are seeing that, but others will not be able to post through here, knowing that this is how they send a recognition. Okay, and that is everything you need to know about setting up Bucketlist in your Beekeeper app. Hopefully that's helpful, but always reach out to your CSM at Bucketlist if you have more questions.